I am a mom of four, and I've always loved working, and I worked in photography for about 16 years, and then I was just really looking for that next challenge, and I wanted something that was scalable in a way that a one-man operation wasn't. So I just kind of planted that seed of I wanted to start a business, but I had no idea what it was going to be. Salt by Sabrina is a brand that brings order in chaos. So the world is crazy, things come at us all the time, and the products in the Salt by Sabrina line are designed to bring that peace and order into your lives so that you're empowered to deal with life's daily challenges. My advice for women who aspire to be entrepreneurs is that don't let anybody define you. There's never a limitation on age or time. I was 42 years old when I started Salt by Sabrina, and I never could have imagined that I would be here at this point in my life. So don't think that certain phases of life are over or that things can't happen, because they always can. I really believe that we make our own definitions of who we are. One of the biggest things that has been impactful in my family from Salt and creating this company is seeing how it's changed my daughters. Their dialogue has changed from, I'm just gonna go to college, to when I start my company. And I've seen how it's empowered them, and even my boys as well, just seeing that they can build something. And also the hard work that goes into building something special. I think that's been so powerful and impactful. My son did a report where he said that I was his hero, and my heart just melted. But that he saw me that way in a different light and capable of more. This may sound a little cliche, but really the thing that brings me so much joy is lifting others. Where I get really excited is where I can connect people and I can see magic happen. I just am a firm believer in a rising tide lifts all ships. We can all win together. It is not a scarcity economy. So believing truly in abundance and that we can all make things better together.